some holiday traffic, it looks like.
Hey.
You ready? Last flight?
Last flight. Yes, I'm ready. This is super nice. We're here in our resort. Here, I think you go here. Oh my god, pretty. And everything is so pretty. Hello. Good morning.
Hello.
Good morning. We're the Steels.
Yeah.
I'm Jean, and this is my husband Casey, my walking encyclopedia. So I'm gonna ask you some questions. Where are we right now?
Alright, so right now we're in the Canary Islands, in the island of Gran Canaria. And specifically in Mas Palomas. And Baobab Hotel.
Any fun facts about Gran Canary?
Fun facts. So the actual name Gran Canaria is because they got the size of the island wrong. They thought that this was the largest island when they named it. And it's actually not. Tenerife, that's the biggest.
See.
Also, I think the only coffee plantation in Europe is here.
Ooh. Why is our resort called Baobab? What is Baobab?
Tree from Madagascar, right?
Why are you look at me? Look at them.
Okay.
It's Baobab, it's the tree. We were gonna insert a clip of the tree.
Yeah.
Somewhere in the
We
video.
can still do that.
We can still do that. And Baobab Resort was built in 2009. And I'm gonna...
So you have a bunch of different pools. You've got like 2 kind of buffet style restaurants. You have Akara, which sounds like it's like maybe sushi or Japanese, but we haven't ate at it yet, so we actually don't know.
Yeah, but we're gonna post some photos and videos.
There's 2 gyms. The reception area is quite nice. And
The
then
pool.
they've got, I think, 4 bars, and then like 5 different kind of pool areas. And like I said, the landscaping and stuff's really nice.
What's for breakfast?
Because I'm not squinting all the time.
I'm not squinting. I'm really squinting.
Just don't smile. Otherwise, then you can't see. That's real planarian.
It is. What do you think? It's not real?
Yeah.
They just made up a tree?
There's a lot of fake trees here. See? Baobab tree. It's fake.
That's fake?
Yeah, that big one there.
Ah, that's why they called it Baobab.
No, I mean, no. I mean, it's a real tree. They don't have real ones here. They're from Madagascar.
Oh, that's the Baobab tree. According to my encyclopedia husband. This is the reception. I think this is like my favorite. This part. It's so pretty.
Yeah, that tree's nice.
You're like in the jungle. That's where the entrance is.
one's over on the other side. I'm still trying to get to that like main pool.
This is a nice one with the bar. I feel like it's a restaurant. Look at that. It's a bar? It's a restaurant.
It's a restaurant. It is obviously the right choice.
And then here?
Yeah.
That was. Oh, this is perfect. The weather is. They get shisha. We're gonna do shisha next time. VIP bunny. Wow. You wanna try that one?
It's open 24 hours a day, I guess.
Joe VIP. El Gaucho Steakhouse. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. That's a big resort. Costa Millonarios. Shiva Bar. So nice. Oh my god.
So that's like the start of where the kind of shopping area beach is.
It's actually really stable.
This way. So it will be.
Hello. Didn't buy check another day?
We're okay, thanks. I think it'll pass like a half hour when it hits, if it does. It might go south of us, which would be cool.
That's.
This might have a shop that sells magnet or something for it.
How far are we?
Right
This is it?
It's one that says sold.
So-
By
There?
the window?
Okay.
To the wall. Why not?
Area would be nice. Try it. Yeah.
But now they've like removed it. Here's.
Alright, let's go.
Here.
What? You said I need to vlog.
Oh yeah.
How would I not? We need more videos. If we need to vlog. It's pretty. What's your T-bone? Your
Like medium.
medium rare medium?
It's not even medium rare.
Really? It's just rare?
No. You like medium. It's good though.
Cheers. They always have this. This is a rum with honey. Whiskey with honey or rum with honey?
I don't know if it's rum with honey, but like it seems like
I asked
if
her and she
it's-
said yes.
Oh, it's the same thing. Okay.
it's the same thing.
Yeah. So yeah, it's like
All the time when you pay.
it's like a light rum though. Like it's not
I
really
know.
that bad.
It's
a
sweet.
little
I like
sweet.
it.
Yeah.